Changing your verification method on iCloud can enhance your account's security and ensure you have access to your data. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Sign into your iCloud account. Open your web browser and go to the iCloud website. Enter your Apple ID and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, look for your account settings or profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account options. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Security. Click on it to view your current verification methods and security options. Step 4. Change verification method. Within the security settings, look for an option to change or update your verification method. This may include options like changing your trusted phone number or switching to a different authentication app. Follow the prompts to make your desired changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on iCloud, enhancing your account's security. Always ensure your contact information is up to date to avoid any issues with account access.